Welcome you all guys. We are Mavericks and we are here for our project presentation that is Sentimental Analysis tool. And this project has been presented by Vedant Sharma, Anish Joshi and Mukund Sudarshan. So let's move forward towards our project. Why sentimental analysis first? First key point is that it improves customer service. Sentiment analysis gives useful insight about your current and future customers' purchase preferences, brand affiliations, topics of interest, opinions, point of views on discussions, likes and dislikes in product services, and much more. This useful information lets organizations to drastically improve their customer service and engagement strategies by building on the positive sentiments and formulating methods to combat negative sentiments. Again, the next feature is that it helps you for the review of brands. One of the best uses of sentiment analysis is that it allows organizations to quantify perceptions about your brand, products and services, marketing campaigns, social engagement initiatives, online content, etc. Organizations can use this information for devising better and more effective branding and marketing strategies and thus improve your brand reputation. It also helps to beat competition. Sentiment analysis lets organization to know sentiment surrounding your competitors too. This allows you to benchmark your performance against that of your competitors. Using the reported sentiments, you can also predict trends and develop your specific social strategies to leverage these trends. Now it also helps in the gaining the business intelligence. Sentiment analysis empowers organization by providing extensive, insightful information regarding their target audience's sentiments. Made use of correctly, these sentiments are a gold mine of a newer business possibilities and opportunities. Thus, sentiment analysis provides you insightful business intelligence using which you can impactful decisions that would leverage your business. It also helps in gaining the public opinion. Sentiment analysis is extremely useful in social media monitoring as it allows us to gain an overview of the wider public opinion behind certain topics. Now let's move forward for checking our applications. So we have different applications for this project that it helps you for in review related websites. For example, movie reviewers, product reviewers, poll predictionists. It also has application in business and government intelligence for knowing consumer attitudes and trends. It also has application across different domains like you can know public opinion for political leaders or their notions about rules and regulations in place, etc. It also helps you for the subcomponent technology like for detecting antagonist and heated languages in mail and spam detection, context sensitive information detection, etc. Now let's move towards the assumptions and system configuration. We have also made an web page for this project and Android application for this. And for accessing the web page, user must have only internet connection to access the web page, and user must search for a valid content. This should be take a note for it. The platform which is being used for this project is our Studio and Shiny apps, and the programming language behind the backend is R. R is used here because of the two main features. First is data wrangling, and the second one is data visualization. Data wrangling because it's often said that 80% of the work in data science is data manipulation. More often than not, you will need to spend significant amount of your time wrangling your data, putting it into the shape you want. R is some of the best data management tool you will find. And looking over the data visualization, ggplot2 is one of the best visualization tool around as of 2015 is concerned. What's great about ggplot2 is that as you learn the syntax, you also learn how to think about data visualization. Now the external devices they used is none, and technical areas explored is data mining, text analysis, R-word and naive-based classifier algorithm. So this is our activity diagram. This is our sequence diagram. This is our component diagram. This is deployment diagram. Okay, the algorithm implemented. First of all, we have taken a 6000 sentimental words and these are stored in a vector. Each incoming tweet from a Twitter is mined, analyzed, and categorized into its sentimental domain. The sentimental domain can be a positive, negative, or a neutral, or it can be related to one's emotional quotient. First of all, the training set is formed from the tweets. One third of the tweets are considered as a training set, and naive based classifier algorithm is then implemented over the test set. Based on the result which we have found over the training set, we are predicting the classification of the sentimental domain for the test set. In front of your screen, you can have a look over the formulas which is very useful for classifying for the positive and negative domains for a particular tweet. For example, in the next example, you can see that consider a tweet which is stating that I hated the poor acting. We are calculating a positive probability and a negative probability of it, and you can have a look at this that if v pos is greater than v neg, then we have to categorize it as positive, else it have to be categorized as negative. We are just calculating the probability of a particular tweet as being in a negative domain or in being a positive domain, and based on the comparison between the two probabilities, we are assigning it a sentimental domain. So this is our accomplishment, that is mavericks.shinyapps.io dash final slash. So this is our web page. First of all, you can see a text input and it is labeled as enter search query. You can enter anything you want to, like any personality you want and any burning issue. If you want to find the sentimental analysis over it, you can enter that query in it. Now second one is a sidebar panel. It is for selecting the number of tweets you want, and maximum you can select 1000 tweets on you can do analysis, and minimum you have to select 10 number of tweets for the analysis. Next comes the genre. For anything you have entered in the search query, it should be related to something. Like if you have entered Salman Khan, then it is related to a genre movie, so select the movies. If you have entered Virat Kohli, then select sports, and if it is some news like event, then select news. If it is related to a word, then select word, and if it is only particular from India you have want to do analysis, then you select India. uh, First step shows the word cloud. You will see a word cloud of your analysis, then sentimental graph, pie chart, trending tweets. In trending tweets you will see the tweets which are very much trending over the Twitter, and in the data you can read the data. If you want to change the theme of the web page, you can also change the theme first. So I first select the darkly, see the magic appears. And if you want to select another theme, there are a huge list of themes which you can select. Like I have selected the lumen, so you can also enjoy many themes which we have given to you. So now we are entering a query that is Virat Kohli. We are having an analysis over 300 tweets. Pressing analyzing button starts our whole backend process, and in few seconds you will see a word cloud. Hola, here's our word cloud. In the word cloud you can see that Virat Kohli is appeared in the center in a very big context. The words which are being used in the tweets more oftenly are in the center or close to the center, and which are very least used, they are at the corner and edges. If you want to see the sentiments related to Virat Kohli, you can also have a look at this. So you can see the joyful tweets, anger, sadness, disgust, and surprise related to Virat Kohli. What is public opinion about Virat Kohli? So guys, you can have a look over the sentiments graph that it is composed of many sentiments like joy, anger, sadness, disgust and surprise, which is a public opinion. And you can also have a look on a pie chart which is composed of a greater extent that it shows the total positive sentiments and negative sentiments related to your search query, that is Virat Kohli. And if you want to see what are the trending tweets over Twitter, then you can have a look at it that New Zealand versus Pakistan, youth congress protest, these are the trending tweets the people are searching. This is most often. And if you want to seek the data which you have fetched for the analysis, then you can also have a look. Live cricket score India versus England, these are all the tweets over which the analysis has happened. And you can also sort it through the text wise, and you can also sort it with the time wise. And if you want to look for a particular tweet with a particular text, you can also search it here. And if you want to search it by time, you can also have a search it here. And you can also select the number of queries you want and search by the tweet setter. And if you want to, you have made an analysis, right? So in the end, if you want to capture your analysis, then you can also click on download, and you will be able to download the PDF file. So I'll show you the PDF file. So this is the PDF file. This is the word cloud. This is the sentiments graph. This is the pie chart. So you can also enjoy your data analysis. And suppose if you want to enter another query, like if you want to for the check for the negative personality, that is Osama bin Laden. Let's check Laden. What are the world's review about Osama bin Laden? So this is the word cloud of Osama bin Laden. Let's check out the sentiments graph. Okay, this is what we see. The sadness of the Osama bin Laden graph is quite high, which is approaching towards 200. So this was about our sentimental analysis. Guys, thank you for watching us and hope you liked the data analysis with us. And if you have liked the video, please like us and subscribe us, and we'll make sure that we will be uh, right back with you with the next video. And we have also made a Android application for this web page, and you can also download it from the Play Store, and the link for the downloading that app is right mentioned in the comments. And you can also visit our web page, which is